Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim right. First, choose a playstyle that genuinely excites you, whether it is a stealthy assassin or a mighty warrior, for maximum enjoyment. Take your time to explore the vast open world, discovering its many hidden gems and breathtaking landscapes. Engage with the compelling main questline and the numerous side quests to uncover the rich lore of Tamriel. Mastering your character build is crucial for a fulfilling adventure. Focus on 1 to 3 primary skill trees to ensure effective character progression and avoid spreading yourself too thin. Experiment with the 10 distinct races, as each offers unique starting bonuses and abilities that can shape your gameplay. Furthermore, utilize powerful crafting skills like smithing and enchanting to create truly formidable gear. Embrace the spirit of exploration and questing to fully experience Skyrim. You can discover over 150 unique locations, ranging from dark caves to ancient ruins, each with its own secrets. Complete more than 300 quests, including deep faction storylines and intriguing Daedric tasks. Remember to talk to every non-player character you encounter. They often hold the key to new adventures and valuable information. To truly deepen your immersion, role-play your character's motivations and decisions, making each choice feel impactful. Consider playing on higher difficulties, such as Adept or Expert, to make combat more engaging and strategic, requiring careful planning. Finally, explore the vast world of community-made modifications to enhance graphics, add new content, or even completely transform your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.